Hello guys, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel, Craft Ideas with Mumu. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a cute gift for your friend or anyone you can give it to. But this is very simple and easy to make, and you can make it at your home very easily. Let's start our video. So at first, take a paper. You can take any waste paper because we'll not need it. We'll need it only for tracing. So draw a heart shape here. Just draw the half part of the heart. Then we will need to cut the paper. We are drawing this paper, I guess you know it. Why we are doing it like this? Because the both side of the paper will remain same if we do it like this. Now cut the paper using a scissor. Now you can see the final result. So now another piece of paper and then trace the heart in it. At first keep the heart which we have cut in previous time and then draw the same thing in this paper in the way I'm showing you. So now take another piece of paper and attach them together using binder clips or paper clip as you wish. So I'm using here binder clips. I'm doing it because so that the paper stay in the same way when I will cut it, because I will need two hearts in the same size. So now for the heart in this way, you will get two pieces if you do it in this way of the same size. So done. Now you can see both are in the same size. Now you have to glue in one heart in the side, but don't glue all the corners. You'll just need to glue in only one half part of this heart. So now stick them together. You'll get a pocket-like structure. The inner side will be empty. You can insert anything here. So now I'm decorating it. I'm at first making some lines so that the writing which I will write here stay straight. Now I'm writing here happy birthday. You can write any message you want. At first I'm writing it using pencil, then I will write using pen. So then now I'm writing using pen. I've used pencil before because so that all the letters stay good, not so for the final touch I'm bolding the letters. It will look more beautiful. So now I'm decorating it. I'm decorating the sides of the heart. Now using center, I'm drawing some hearts over here. So this process is very easy. You can do it um, very easily. So now I'm drawing like hole. It is actually a lock, you can say. Now take the paper which we have cut in previous time. Now cut it again. Make the heart a little bit smaller than previous time. And then again take another piece of paper and trace it. Do the same process which we have done before, but now we will need just only one piece of paper. We will not need two. Now cut it. You can see you can insert this paper inside of this pocket like structure heart. Now I'll write a message here. For this reason, I'm again making some lines over here using pencil so that the um, writing gets uh, straight. But before that, I'll decorate the paper. For this reason, I'm again using a highlighter to make some hearts over the paper. And then actually I'm doing the same process which have done in previous time. And then again I'll use a pen to border the heart. I'll give the same design which I have given previous time. You can understand by seeing it. So at first I've written this message using pencil, then I'm writing again over the pencil writing using a pen so that everything get fine and no mistake occur. You can also follow the same process which I have done so you can see the final result. Now I'll make a log for that. I've got a paper in this shape, then I'm using glue in one side of it and then attaching it with the letter which we have written, and then now insert it inside the pocket which we have made, and this is done. You can see how easy it is to make. It is actually a log-like structure, okay, so which is in heart shape, so you can see how easy to make and you can do it very easily. You'll just need to pull the handle of the log and it will come out, and you can put it again inside. You can make it very easily and quickly, so quickly try it and don't miss make it. I think if you don't have much time to make any gift, then you can make it, because we are at the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed my video and understand how to make it. If you don't understand, write in the comment box. I will give this video again so that you can understand it easily. And if you want any other type of craft, you can write in the comment box so that I can make it for you. And if you have any question, also you can ask in the comment box. If you like my video, please give a like and subscribe my video so that you'll get all my videos, links of my video. And don't forget to share my video so that more people can watch my video and learn how to do art and craft through this video. And of course I'll give the answers of your comment, so quickly write anything in the comment box. I will give it the answer in the comment box, or I will make a video regarding your questions. So thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoy it. Bye.